Hello collectives, my name is Kay and this is the Lotus Stars 777. I hope you are doing well today. I am doing a love tarot reading for you today, so let us begin. Let's cut the deck. Thank you, spirit guides, angels, and ancestors. Please share with us what the collectives need to know in their tarot reading today. Thank you. First card out, Ace of Swords, Six of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, Two of Wands, the High Priestess, Three of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, and at the bottom of the deck, the Knight of Cups. Collectives with the Ace of Swords, you are experiencing a breakthrough and a new way of thinking. Your mind is stretched by new ideas and you are excited about putting those ideas into action. You are speaking your mind to solve your problems. You're using logic. You are getting to the heart of the matter and you are getting insights. With the Six of Wands, you are feeling confident, self-assured, and successful, and you've earned every one of those successes. You are proud of your achievements and are ready to shout them out from the rooftops. The people around you recognize your success and they are cheering you on. So there's progress, public recognition, triumph, and enjoy being in the spotlight. You've achieved it and worked very hard for it. Collectives, the Knight of Pentacles. Collectives, there are 1, 2, 3 knights that are wanting to connect with you and have a relationship. The Knight of Pentacles is an earth sign. The Knight of Wands is a fire sign and the Knight of Cups is a water sign. So look out for these 3 love interests that will be entering your life soon. With the Knight of Pentacles, he or she is very hardworking and they stick to routines that have worked for them well in the past. They put one foot in front of the other. They get the work done. They are a natural planner and implementer. They're dependable, patient, clever, and also very responsible. With the Eight of Cups, it is time for you to walk away from a very disappointing situation or relationship. You need to make a decision and take action with confidence. You wanted it to work, but it hasn't. The only option is to move on with your life, have a change, go on a journey, and heal from the dissatisfaction and separation this relationship or obstacle was for you, collectives. With the Two of Wands, you know what you want to manifest. Now you have to figure out how to achieve it. You are exploring all your options and you are planning your path ahead before taking action. Let your intuition and passion guide you as you confirm your next steps. You need to be bold. You need to plan and take the first steps in making the right decision. With the High Priestess, you need to trust your own counsel. You are in tune with your intuition and your higher self. The answers you seek lie within you. Access your inner wisdom and divine feminine energy, because there's going to be change, fluctuations. You have the wisdom, sound judgment, common sense, intuition, and awareness to tap into your inner self and get the answers you are seeking. Collectives, with the Three of Pentacles, you will be collaborating with others and creating synergies to achieve big results. You will balance your wisdom of knowledge and the new ideas of the inexperienced. Reach out for help when you need it. There will be cooperation, teamwork, creativity, common goals will be achieved in the workplace or any project you are in collaboration with others. With the Knight of Wands, this person, he or she, they are very charged up with energy, passion, motivation, and enthusiasm, and they are going to take action. They are fueled by ambition, confidence, and they are here to make things happen. They know what they want, and they are going to come and claim what it is they want. And if that is you, then that's their mission to achieve. With the Knight of Cups at the bottom of the deck, this romantic suitor is very charming and is in love with love itself. He or she wears their heart on their sleeves. They thrive on all things beautiful and are inspired by many creative outlets that are available to them. You will get communication from them via an email, a text, a phone call when they ask you for a date. They may arrive with a bouquet of flowers as well for the date. Let's get 3 cards from the Romance Angels deck for you, collectors. Give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. Chemistry. There's a strong magnetic attraction here. Soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. Give your relationship a chance. The Romance Angels see that your relationship is worth devoting effort to. There may be issues, but this can be worked through and healed. You need to commit to the relationship to ensure the best chance of success. At the very least, if you do end it, you'll know that you gave it your all. And in this way, you'll avoid attracting similarly painful situations in the future. The love is still there, collectives. Chemistry. You feel a strong dynamic pull towards another person. You share chemistry with him or her. This creates intense pleasurable sensations that draw you to each other. If you are single and feel this pull towards another unattached person, then this card brings you a go-ahead green light of good news. Most probably, the chemistry is mutual and it will merit exploration. Soulmate. You may be wondering if a certain person is your soulmate, and the answer is yes. You may share a mystical soul connection and life path with this person. As you suspected, the person you're inquiring about is one of yours. The sense of familiarity and comfort you felt when you first met also indicates your soulmate bond. Many times this is the person whom you already know, although romantic sparks didn't fly at first. You have another opportunity to explore passion together. Let's see what message the Spirit Animal deck has for you. Hawk Spirit. Let Spirit be your guide. Number 32. The message is flying high above the landscape. The hawk sees both the big picture and the small details, observes the rain and the pond as well as the cloud, and doesn't miss anything. When hawk spirit arrives, you are called to pay close attention to messages from spirit that can appear anywhere in any form. Listen to your intuition and keep your eyes open for synchronicities, the meaningful coincidences. Hawk Spirit asks you not to dismiss the signs that Spirit is sending to guide you. Lately, you have been hearing the same word or song or coming across the same symbol here, there, and in the strangest places. Perhaps you hear a song on the radio with just the right lyric pertaining to your query, or you begin to notice uncanny billboards, license plates, or other places where repetitive numbers or words show up for you to notice. Pay attention to the animals that appear for you and connect with their symbolism. Spirit wants to communicate and reaches out again and again. When Hawk Spirit appears, it is a sign to listen. The protection message is, are you noticing red flags, perhaps saying to yourself, oh, what pretty flags, and giving them no more thought? Hawk Spirit has arrived to tell you to stop and listen to the messages from Spirit. Take the time to observe the patterns you are seeing and do not dismiss your intuition, even if the messages you receive are not supported by evidence in the physical world. If it feels illogical to listen right now, listen anyway. Sometimes you might want certain signs and messages to mean what you want them to mean, interpreting through the lens of wishful thinking, a protection of your desire to see things a certain way. Of course, when you do that, you really find yourself where you want to be. Take heart. Spirit loves you so much and does not want you to get hurt, but to align with Spirit's plan for your highest good. Listen and follow the signs, and check your motives when you are being selective with your hearing. So let's get an angel number for you collectives. Number 333. Potential. Your chance to reach your highest of potentials is here. Perseverance has gotten you to where you are. You have been through so much, and this guidance is here to show you that you are exactly where you need to be. The affirmation is, my potential is infinite. I use my strength as my ally to pursue my highest good. That is all I have for you today, collectives. I will see you in the next one.